In this video, I will discuss about how to use Arduino IDE, that is Integrated Development Environment, which is a compiler. So this Arduino IDE is used for programming these Arduino boards. Arduino boards are so very famous because of its low cost and various other advantages. This is one of the Arduino board, which is an Uno board. So this Uno board is having 8 mega 328p microcontroller, so which can be used for your applications for reading the analog inputs, or for interfacing the to PC, or for generating the PWM signal, or for generating the digital output or reading the digital input. And this is having an onboard this USB to serial converter chip, so which can be used for interfacing to your laptop or desktop PC. This Arduino is an open source electronic prototyping platform, which open source means its compiler is free, so no need of purchase any licenses. And this is a prototyping platform, which means for the development of any applications, especially embedded applications, so we need to develop a prototype for a demonstrating and testing purpose. For that purpose, these Arduino boards are very easy to use because of its hardware and software. So both these hardware and software are easy to use and understand. So for this, you have to tell your board, so this Arduino board, what to do by sending a set of instructions to a microcontroller on the board. So for your application, so you have to tell the microcontroller what to do. So to do so, you have to use an Arduino programming language, that can be a C or C++, and you have to use Arduino software, that is IDE, which is nothing but a compiler, and the Arduino boards. Depending upon your applications, you have to select your Arduino board. So this IDE, which is an open source compiler, so this is available in both offline and online mode. We can see how we can use this online and offline modes. Here we can see, so this is this Arduino official website, so where you can access this online compiler. So here we can start this. So what is the advantage of online compiler is we can create an account and we can save your sketches. Arduino sketch is nothing but a program, so you can save your sketches online, and anywhere you can open your sketches without need to save on your laptop or PC. So this is the screen, so online editor. So here you can write your code for your application. So I'm using an Arduino board. So here you can see Arduino Uno board. So it is connected to a COM3 port of your laptop. And in some cases you will have a problems of not interfacing to your to your laptop. In that case, this sign will be shown. So in that case, even though if you connect your Arduino boards to your laptop, so it will not show the connection symbol, it will show this not connected symbol. In that case, what to do, we have to download the Arduino Create Agent plugin. So if you download this plugin, then this problem will be solved for online editor applications. And similarly, the offline, so there is an software that Arduino 1.8.1 is the latest version. So here the software can be installed, and after installing, this is the software. So this is the page you will see. So here we have to see, so this in these tools, so this is the Arduino board you have to select, and whenever you plug in this Arduino board to your laptop, so it will be automatically connected, and a port will be assigned to that. In the next videos, I will discuss about Arduino Uno circuit board in detail, and we will also explain the serial communication, how to perform serial communication using Arduino Uno boards. Serial communication is very useful for industrial applications whenever you need to send the data from your field to the desktop PC or any data storing device. So this serial communication plays a vital role, and I will show how to implement this serial communication using Arduino board. And what are the main advantage of Arduino boards? Because it will become so famous. So what made it so famous is because it is available at a very low cost, and its compiler is open. That is, it's a free compiler, and it is all having so many inbuilt libraries. So which makes your application development very fast, and also so many forums are available, which will help in case if you have any problem in the development. So these are the some of the advantages that make Arduino very famous prototyping platform, that is especially for embedded application. Thank you for watching my video.